All right, let's get to the latest as far as India's tour of South Africa is concerned. Now sources say that Indian team is good to go for South Africa tour. BCCI says, as per sources, that the senior team is keen on going to South Africa, and they've also said that so far there has been no ban advisory from the government. All right, so the latest is that the BCCI is in touch with the government. Remember, these developments come in the wake of the growing concerns around the new variant, and India is all set, is expected to tour South Africa, but they are in touch with the BCCI. Sources say that so far there has been no advisory from the government as to whether the team should go ahead with their plans. But according to sources, the Indian team is good to go for the tour, South Africa tour, and the senior team is keen on going, and they are in touch with the South Africa board. All right, so we'll try and get in touch with our reporter on this development. But for now, what we understand is that so far, according to the BCCI, no advisory has been issued by the government, and the team is really keen on doing this tour. But the growing concern around the new variant is a thing that everybody is keeping a close eye on. For more on this, Karishma joins us on the broadcast. Karishma, thank you for joining us. For the benefit of our viewers, could you help us understand the kind of steps BCCI is mulling? And as we are reporting that they are in touch with South Africa's board as well, what is the latest?
Well, yes, absolutely, Archana. The BCCI is in constant touch with the South African Cricket Board. In fact, the South African Cricket Board CEO yesterday had said that BCCI is keen on doing this tour. And today's sources have confirmed that as far as things stand today, stand that is taken by the Indian government that allows the BCCI, the Indian team, to go ahead with their earlier schedule of leaving India on the 8th of December for South Africa. Remember, the India A team is already in South Africa playing unofficial tests currently. And what the BCCI is also saying is that if the situation was so severe, then there already would have been a travel ban or some kind of an advisory from the Indian government suggesting reasons why there shouldn't be travel to South Africa, but that also hasn't come from the government. So the BCCI putting all these things together in constant touch with their medical team as well, and also emphasizing the fact that the Indian team that will travel to South Africa will be in a very strict bio bubble. They're going to leave in a charter plane, and they're going to stay only in two hotels that are going to be completely blocked off and are going to be in a complete security arrangement and bio bubble. So as per things stand today on the 30th of November, the BCCI is saying that the Indian team will go to South Africa for their tour or the cricket tour of ODIs and Test cricket.
All right, thank you, Karishma, for getting us those updates. And